A local activist is threatening to file a federal lawsuit against the governor's office and the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office. Ben Frazier was handcuffed and detained by police last week when he refused to leave a news conference being held by Governor DeSantis. Frazier was charged with trespassing, but Frazier and his attorney say those charges should be dropped. Otherwise, they're going to take the matter to federal court. News for Jax reporter Jim Piggott joining us live from outside the federal courthouse. So, Jim, what happens next?
Well, there's a couple of things we could see that suit filed here in federal court, but actually the next step would be up to prosecutors and Governor DeSantis' office. But in checking with them so far today, the governor's office doesn't appear ready to budge.
Activist Ben Frazier is no stranger to protest. He's confronted government officials in the past and says he will continue to do so. In this case, following his arrest, he is ready to carry this further. His attorney, John Phillips, says if trespassing charges are not dropped, a federal civil rights lawsuit will be filed.
From the criminal standpoint or citation standpoint, we are asking for dismissal of the charge. Two, there was an offer at the meeting for a scheduled meeting with the governor or the governor's office. We want to accept that. We want to take them up on that and address this.
So far, Phillips says they've not asked for that meeting, but plan to do so.
I'm not slinging mud at this governor personally. I'm talking about the issues. And I want the governor's office and his proxies to stay on target and address the issues.
News4Jax reached out to the governor's office today for comment. We received this statement from the governor's press aide. Thanks for letting me know. The governor wasn't even aware of Mr. Frazier's trespassing nor his arrest until after it happened, when a reporter asked him about it at the press conference later that morning. Frazier says he also plans to sue JSO for not following their protocol in arresting those with disabilities. Frazier was not allowed to take his motorized scooter, which he uses to get around when he was arrested. As for the future, Frazier says he will continue with his protest.
He's not going to stop anybody from exercising their First Amendment rights because he doesn't like what it is they're saying. We will continue to march and protest, and of course, we are suing him.
And that lawsuit depends on the next move by the governor's office.
You know, I did check with JSO as well, and so far no comment from them if they could be sued over this. Now, State Attorney Melissa Nelson, she has written the governor's office basically saying that she doesn't want this case to be here in Jacksonville. She'd like it to move to another district in Florida. So far, no word from the governor's office if that is going to happen. For now, we're live downtown. Jim Piggott, Channel 4, the local station.